My husband is worse than the malice king. I thought people were exaggerating whenever they complain about men who keep malice in their relationships until I got married. I married my husband in 2018 after dating him for 3 years. Before marriage, he was calm, caring, soft-spoken, the kind of man everybody respected. If we attended events together, women would pull me aside and say, "You are lucky. Your husband looks very mature." I used to smile proudly. I had no idea I was marrying a professional emotional punisher. 2 weeks after our wedding, my husband stopped speaking to me because I forgot to warm his food before taking my bath. At first, I thought he was joking. I laughed and said, "Baby, I'm sorry. I was just tired." He didn't answer. That night, he slept facing the wall. The next morning, silence. I greeted him, nothing. I asked what was wrong, nothing. I cooked his favorite soup, nothing. For one entire month, this man did not speak to me inside our house. I was living like a human refrigerator. Every single day, I begged him, "Please talk to me. What exactly did I do? Why are you behaving like this?" Still, nothing. Sometimes I would cry myself to sleep while he pressed his phone beside me like I didn't exist. That should have been my warning sign. But like many women, I stayed because everybody says marriage is hard. So I endured. Unfortunately, things became worse. If I corrected him publicly, malice. If I come home late from work, malice. If I forgot to buy something from the supermarket, malice. One time, this man kept malice with me for almost 3 months because I interrupted him when he was talking. Imagine sleeping beside somebody every night and feeling completely alone. The house became so quiet that sometimes I would increase the TV volume just to hear human sound. After 1 year of marriage, I made a secret decision. I stopped trying to get pregnant. I never told him because deep inside me, I knew I could not bring a child into this kind of environment. How do you raise your children with a man who uses silence like punishment? What if our child accidentally breaks a plate and he refuses to speak to the child for weeks? No, I couldn't do it. So every month, I quietly protected myself. Meanwhile, my husband was pretending outside like everything was perfect. Then one evening, I noticed something strange. He suddenly became happy, very happy. A man that normally behaves like an angry principal was now smiling at his phone every night. He started hiding his screen. He began spending extra time in the bathroom. Ladies, we all know this sign. One night around 2 a.m., his phone kept vibrating. He was inside the bathroom. I looked at the screen and my heart dropped. The message said, "Baby, I miss you already." Before I could recover from that shock, another message entered. "Our twins will be beautiful." Twins? I opened the chat and that was when I discovered that my husband, the same man who refused to speak to me for weeks, was giving another woman attention, affection, and sweet words every single day. The same man that acted emotionally unavailable in our marriage was busy typing. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.